of Assembly. This morning, I presented to Mr. Speaker a notice brought pursuant to Section 188, Sub 1 and 2A of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, to the effect that the Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu, show cause why he will not be impeached as the Deputy Governor of the state. The reasons as contained in the said notice are two. Number one reason is that sometime last year, July last year, he filed on the 26th of July, as a matter of fact, he filed a suit against the three organs of government: the legislature, the judiciary, and the executive, and disclosed, knowing it to be false, informations that are not true, that are baseless, and more importantly, he filed under oath matters that are top government secret, contrary to his oath of office as embedded in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And you know all that the Constitution is the ground norm, and any infraction of it leads to a punishment, because it seems to undermine the very essence of the power you wield. So by doing that, the House, 21 members of the House signed the petition. That's for you to know how popular this sentiment is. That is, between the majority and the minority members, we are adamant that we are tired of the embarrassment that is consistently being given to the Edo State government, and that it should go and find another thing to do. We are ready to press it. We are ready to make sure that it's investigated, and if found guilty, the proper actions will be taken. We know the steps to be taken. There are several steps to be taken, but this is the first step. That is for him to know that this is the allegation. It is yet an allegation. This is an allegation against you. Answer to them. If the answer comes and is satisfactory, the matter ends there. If it is not satisfactory, a motion will be moved, supported by 2/3 majority of the House, and the matter will now be slated for investigation. And the main plank of that investigation is the Chief Judge of Edo State setting up a committee of 7 men that are apolitical to review the allegation against him. And if they find him guilty, they bring it back to us for consideration. It doesn't matter whether he responds or he doesn't respond. The process has been set rolling, and it continues to roll. Anything that stands on its way is crushed.